Welcome guys. So let's solve this 926 flip string to monotone increasing. So basically you got 0 and 1, and the monotone increasing means that everything start from 0 and go to 1. And you can flip 1 to 0, 0 to 1. For example, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. The minimum number that you can make in monotone is replace this 0 to be 1, so you get 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then for this you can change this. Maybe change this to be 0, this to be 1, so you get 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, so you get 2 of them. And for this, you can change 0, 0, everything to be 0, right? So 2. Okay, so this problem is actually exactly the same as longest increasing subsequence. Hopefully you can see this. So this longest increasing subsequence, basically somebody give you an array, and you can return the longest increasing subsequence. For example, 2, 3, 7, 18. Okay, and why this is true? Because the reason is that if you create an array, basically it's just 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you can see the longest increasing subsequence 0, 0, 1, 1, right? So that means you just need to change one of them, right? So 5 minus the longest is 1, right? And for this one, what is the longest subsequence? Is 0, 0, 1, 1, right? So you can see the longest subsequence is 4 and total length is 6. So this should be 2, right? So 6 minus 4. And for this one, you can see the longest subsequence is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So total you have a numbers, and the longest subsequent increasing subsequence is length 3, then 6. So you get the a minus 6, which is 2. Okay, so basically you can just take any code that if you can solve this, then you can just directly solve it. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you I think the best way to solve this problem. One is use DP, and the one is use this is binary search. So this binary search is somehow like the best way that you can solve it, right? But basically you can just you can just like the greedy method. For each numbers, you just ask what to put is, right? If you can put, if it's length D, that means you can just directly put it. Otherwise, you just replace it and then return length D. Okay, so we just copy this code and put in here. The only difference is that in this problem that it must be strictly increasing, right? But in this one, you don't need to strictly increasing, so you change left to right. Okay. And in this problem, you need to return length D. In this problem, you just return length nums minus length D. Actually, and you create this and apply the list. So basically, this is just an answer, and you can solve this. You just run it. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer based on if you know the longest increasing subsequence. Okay, maybe let me just draw examples to show why this is true. Okay, so let me just draw examples. Let me just doing some examples for this code and see why this guy gives you the longest increasing subsequence. Okay, so for example, let me just show this, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Right, so first you will create your D, right? Your D is here, and then you can find, so for the first one, there's nothing, right? So bisect I0, right? So 0 will be the length of D, right? There's nothing, so you put 0. And then for the 0, for another 0, you bisect right, then you will give, it means that you should insert 0 here, and then you insert other zeros. So now that you see 1, right? You see 1, right? So 1, if you put the bisect right, then 1 should put here, right? 1 should put here. And then for 1, you put here. Okay, so now you see 0, right? So 0, if you bisect right, you will put it here, right? So you just replace this 0 to be 1 to be 0. Okay, then the 0, this 0 replace 0, and you get 0. Okay, so your total length of D is 6, which is exactly the longest increasing subsequence. Okay, so that's it. See you guys next video.